chongmani yagulo gobangma thungrung thamrang akar thanibo tongkasang derawo thangka jolimung nasrimung ni jari gobangma nog ho phal nog haban nog rok choprobo shubai khrupjaka obahrangno che naimungo be naimungo ongkhorka khorokchar keboni bodolni adongrok o khorokchar keboni bodolni bisingo tongo CPIM Congress tei Lok Sabha tei Rajya Sabha ni adongrok puila o antongrokni bisingo Tripurani State Guest House asulai koklam salakya yagulo katham bodol khajaka o katham bodolongni bisingo manjanai adongrok krung krung thayo Thangwi naikya phasalo o salo Bamute Bidhan Sabha amchai khobjak Durga Bari amchaini Derajak thairok belai naikya khorongni adongni bisingo tongo Notoranjon tei Binoy Bushom Bornakaribo tongo keboni bodolni মন্ত্রী অকরা কসাম মানিক সরকার পবিত্র কর খবি কুবন আদংরক পুইলা বরক যতীন্দ্র রায় নি নগ থাঙ্গি দেরাজাক থাইরক বেলাই নেখ্যা ইয়াগুলো গান্ধীগ্রাম অঞ্চল কমিটি হাবনক বহাইনো বেলাই নেখ্যা আশক সিমিয়া পাইথাক বখা গান্ধীগ্রাম শর্মা কামিও থাঙ্গি লক্ষণ সাহানি নক বেলাই নেখ্যা
village they have been actually collected from other parts so they garrowed it, they tried to enter, they threw bombs, all these things. At that point of time, police was informed, they came and they were demanding against him some, what should I say, the concoctus complaint against him. However, ultimately police arrested him. I think it was done police for his safety, perhaps. Then he was taken there and yesterday he was actually placed before the court and court has given him bail. Now he has fallen sick, he will come back, he is there in Agartala. So they are here, you have seen, while you are entering the broad daylight, they are keeping their doors, gates under lock and key.